excited but calm. Holy smokers, this ain't no dang joke, pal. The stock market is on fire, and not the good kind. Paler down 32% in just 8 days, Coinbase crashing 40% in less than 3 months, Robinhood losing a quarter of its value, Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, everything is getting hammered. Stock market hell, what's next? If you're panicking right now, stop. Take a deep breath. Because today, I'm breaking down exactly what's happening, why it's happening, and what you need to do to not just survive, but thrive in this chaos. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a total newbie, this video is your lifeline. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive in, because this is where fortunes are made. Lighthearted, but informative. All right, let's get into it. Here's the deal. This market meltdown, it's not the end of the world. In fact, it's normal. But before we get to the good stuff, let's break it down into key points you need to know. This isn't your first rodeo, but it might feel like it. If you're new to investing, this might feel like the apocalypse, but trust me, it's not. Back in 2022, the Nasdaq dropped nearly 40%. And guess what? Those who bought the dip made a fortune in 2023 and 2024. Meta, Nvidia, Tesla, they all came roaring back. Here's the deal. Stop freaking out over short-term moves. You're investing for the next 10, 20, 30 years, not the next 10 days. Corrections and crashes are gifts. They let you buy great companies at Black Friday prices. Understand valuations. If you don't know how to calculate trailing PE, forward PE, or growth rates, you're playing with fire. The big players are dumb. Yes, really. Here's a secret. Wall Street isn't as smart as you think. Remember when they dumped Meta under $100 in 2022? Or when they sold Nvidia at rock-bottom prices? Yeah, those same stocks are now up 10x. The whales are slow, they're dumb, and they're late to the party. Your job? Beat them to the food. When they finally figure it out, it's an eating fest, and you want to be at the table. AMD, the falling knife you should catch. Let's talk AMD. Down over 50% in less than a year? Some people are calling it a garbage stock, but let me show you something. Remember when Nvidia fell 65% in 2022? Everyone called it a falling knife. But those who bought the dip, they made a fortune. Here's my bold prediction. AMD will be the best performing big tech stock over the next 3 years. Mark my words, this is your chance to get in before the whales wake up. What I'm buying right now. In the past 48 hours, I've deployed $100,000 into the market. AMD, Cheesecake Factory, e.l.f. Beauty, Celsius. I'm buying the dip in companies I believe in. Why? Because when the market panics, I see opportunity. And here's the kicker. I'm still sitting on a ton of cash. If the Nasdaq drops another 10%, I'm going heavy. If it drops 20%, I'm loading the boat. Because history shows the bigger the crash, the bigger the comeback. Let's talk about the broke trolls. You know the ones. They'll say, "You're buying the falling knife," or "That stock just fell again, you're so dumb." Here's the truth. Those people will be broke for life. Meanwhile, the experienced investors, they're back making money on their hedges, buying the dip, and having the time of their lives. Don't be the troll. Be the investor who buys when others are panicking. All right, folks, here's the bottom line. The market is volatile, but volatility is where the money's made. Stay calm, stay focused, and remember, the most money is made in the first year or two after a crash. What you found this video for helpful? Drop a comment, because we're just getting started. And if you're ready to take your investing game to the next level, until next time, keep stacking those gains, and remember, the best is yet to come. Much love, and I'll see you in the next video lecture one.